Why should you use AEG Cleaning Services Carbon Dioxide Calculator? Are you aware that AEG Cleaning Services Limited has such a calculator? You can visit our calculator by going to www.aegcleaning.co.uk/carbon dioxide calculator. You might want to know why you should use our calculator. We have designed the calculator to give you an estimate of the amount of carbon dioxide you are using during your daily, weekly, or monthly cleaning cycles. With a focus on reducing greenhouse gas emissions, AEG Cleaning Services helps its customers reduce their carbon footprint. We created the calculator using the top supermarket's own brand products to provide you with a guide. There is a possibility that you may be able to increase the value of your emissions by as much as 35% if you use brand names. The calculator is divided into two sections, one for domestic and one for commercial customers. Their score is based on what products are used and what days cleaning is carried out during the week. Even cutting down on a few products each week can make a positive difference due to the fact that you can see which products have the highest emissions. What is a carbon dioxide calculator? Having the calculator will help you to understand how you can reduce your carbon dioxide by understanding what the current score is, and how to reduce it with the tips and tricks that are provided. This calculator counts your carbon footprints and helps you determine what causes you to make carbon emissions. You can also figure out the areas where you produce more carbon. Those who wish to reduce footprints in other areas can use one of many other calculators available. We cannot deny the fact of producing carbon while at work, eating a meal, driving a car, or flying a plane. All these ways of working or spending life together make your carbon footprints. It is a fact that most of us are unaware of the term carbon footprints and how we can calculate them. You may have the same feeling when trying to make a budget, but there is no money in your account. So, we can say that the carbon dioxide calculator is the best way to keep yourself and others on a healthy side and make the climate carbon neutral. How to reduce carbon footprints? Carbon footprints can cause the atmosphere's temperature to rise because of greenhouse gases. There are several ways to reduce carbon footprints, including solar power plants, planting trees, wind farms, etc. Who are we? AEG Cleaning Services aims to make the environment free from harmful gases and carbon neutral. We are a leading name in providing our customers with top-notch cleaning services and products. All the products we have for cleaning purposes are best to kill germs and make the environment safe. You visit our website www.aegcleaning.co.uk to know more about us or give us a call at 020799831113. It will take no time at all to help you clean up your footprint.